Welcome everyone to another brand new video. Today in this video I am going to camera comparison between Pixel 3a versus Samsung Galaxy S10. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Samsung Galaxy S10 come with triple camera setup, 12 megapixel main lens with 1.5 aperture, 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.4 aperture and 16 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture. And the front, the smartphone come with single 10 megapixel selfie camera with 1.9 aperture. On the other hand, Pixel 3a come with 12.2 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and 8 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. Galaxy S10 you can record highest 4K 60 fps video. On the other hand, Pixel 3a you can record 4K 30 fps video. So right now I am recording both smartphone is 1080 60 fps video. So this is all about Pixel 3a versus Samsung Galaxy S10 camera comparison in 2022. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shah from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.